Hello, my name is Mary Heck Kissel. I'm the Director of Business Development at the North Carolina Biotechnology Center. Thank you for taking time to learn about North Carolina's life science ecosystem. During this presentation, I'll walk you through North Carolina's 5 key strengths as a life science hub. This includes a vibrant life science community, a highly skilled workforce, international connections, university research, and NC Biotech's people, programs, and services that support innovation and growth. Let's start off by looking at North Carolina's vibrant life science community. North Carolina ranks consistently as a top life science cluster in the U.S. For 11 years running, Forbes magazine has named North Carolina among the 5 best states for business. Chief Executive Magazine in 2018 named us the 3rd best state for business, and Techonomy named North Carolina as a Tier 1 life science state. North Carolina has grown from a handful of life science companies in 1984 to more than 735 companies today. The life science industry employs 66,000 highly skilled workers, and there's an additional 2,400 companies that support the life science industry. North Carolina is home to many leading life science companies. On this slide, you can see a sample of them. Now let's talk about our highly skilled talent pool. North Carolina has 66,000 highly skilled workers, and each year that workforce grows as local universities confer approximately 4,600 additional biological and biomedical science graduates. Additionally, North Carolina has an extensive community college system to keep our workforce on the cutting edge as science and technology advances. Now let's talk about our international connections. North Carolina has 4 international airports: Charlotte, Raleigh-Durham, Piedmont Triad, and Wilmington. Prior to the pandemic, the Charlotte Airport offered 700-plus daily departures to 150 locations. North Carolina also has 2 shipping ports, which is important for imports and exports to Europe. And our highway system makes 2/3 of the East Coast accessible by driving just a few short hours. 96 international companies have their operations in North Carolina. This represents 17,000 employees and 25 different countries. That's an investment of $2.8 billion since 2015. Next, let's talk about North Carolina's university research. North Carolina has the scientific infrastructure that enables the life sciences to thrive. We're very proud of our 5 medical schools, 4 pharmacy schools, 3 comprehensive cancer centers, 2 land-grant universities, and 1 college of veterinary medicine. Also noteworthy is the amount of funding from the National Institute of Health. More than $1 billion has been granted from NIH to North Carolina since 2005. In fiscal year 2018, the Durham-Chapel Hill metro area led the nation in per capita funding from NIH. The final strength I want to share is the North Carolina Biotechnology Center. Our organization is funded by the state of North Carolina with the mission to grow the life sciences in-state. Our people and programs fuel innovation in the life sciences community. NC Biotech has a continuum of programs to support and speed the process of getting ideas from initial technology all the way to commercial products. Our programs continue to evolve over the years to meet industry's needs. Here are some program highlights. We offer grants to university researchers. We have a loans program and mentoring for startups. We provide market research and analysis for growth companies. And we champion programs to address issues such as infrastructure and workforce development, and much, much more. On this slide, you can see that 67% of the life science companies are clustered in the Research Triangle region. However, NC Biotech has offices spread throughout the state to support statewide innovation and growth. Here's a picture of Grifols manufacturing facility in Clayton, North Carolina, which is about an hour east of Research Triangle Park. This is the world's largest site for plasma-derived medicines. As one of the largest employers in Johnston County, Grifols has invested hundreds of millions of dollars in this site. Grifols has been in the news recently. They announced that they will be producing and testing a potential COVID-19 therapy derived from the blood plasma of patients who have recovered from the coronavirus. Additionally, Grifols said that it will provide support for another potential COVID-19 therapy, the use of convalescent plasma for transfusion. The company will provide its viral inactivation technology called Methane Blue to ensure safe plasma units for treatment use. Grifols said it will build a new facility in Clayton for the Methane Blue work. And speaking of expansions, North Carolina has had a number of expansion announcements this past year. This includes Eli Lilly, Audentist, Fujifilm Diosynth Biosciences, Cambrex, and more. North Carolina works with industry partners to help large companies transform their businesses. North Carolina is known for certain strengths. This includes contract research. We are the birthplace of contract research organizations. We have a diverse mix of 150 clinical research organizations employing 24,000 workers. We're also known for biomanufacturing. We are number one in manufacturing potentially curative gene therapies and vaccines. We are a burgeoning hub for gene and cell therapy companies. This includes Bluebird Bio, Avexis, Pfizer, Selectus, Locus Biosciences, and Precision Biosciences. North Carolina has the expertise, manufacturing, training, regulatory, policy, and clinical trials. Thank you for tuning in today to learn about North Carolina's life science community. We encourage you to continue and engage with us on LinkedIn and Twitter. If NC Biotech can be of service to you, please contact me at Mary_Hecht-Kissel@ncbiotech.org. Thank you.